Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain a technique of making a red building artist model. So the first of all, I need to share my screen and what I'm intending to making. So now you can see here is my Pinterest. So just click one and I'm going to make this image. The red building and the background is in a newspaper. That's going to be really blur. And then go back to my Photoshop. Okay. First of all, you need to open your photo you took. File and open. And those are my picture I took. And just click that one and just open it. And then first of all, just click and unlock. And then before going to the technique, just preparation, to click the color and just click the color one. And you have to choose dark red, just a little bit, not exactly dark, like here, about here. And just click OK. And just click background color. So just click white. It's okay. Now you got like a red and the white colors. Then now you got layer one. And then just you need to go to filter or the top menu and filter gallery. It's quite easily. You can make effective picture. As a zoom changing the style. Oh no, sorry, sketch and then stop. You can create the one and just okay. And also you can change it's like a light dark balance, just play with the numbers and makes really nice. And then I think you should move like smoothness, it's gonna be really blur. Just keep the small number. So just now happy with, they're okay. And now you got this image. And then you need to get a little of its background, a solid white, and then just click the laser tool and just bottom one, magic laser tool, and then click and just click, and you can get a little white background. Just magnifier and then plus. Okay, so now I'm demonstrating, and I'm not gonna go taking every piece of white, just roughly do this one, but you need to do with care and just thoroughly you need to complete it. Okay. And then you have to get the background image, which is newspaper one, and create new layer and then bring it down underneath the layer 0 as the image and the empty layer. And stop sharing to go to my browser. Okay, just open up a new tab in your browser and just type newspaper image, and then you get like a bunch of images. And just click image and then click tool and make sure you get large size image because you have to edit them. Okay, now you got image. I don't need a one. Just right click and copy image and go back to Photoshop. Okay, just click layer one and just castle and right click now from edit and paste Now you got image of newspaper, then from edit and free transform and make it a bigger and the bit of size. Just I'm gonna zoom it out and free transform again. So if you got rectangular image, which is okay, and when you get portrait image, it makes the one. And if you're happy with, just enter on the decide. Okay. I'm gonna make new layer in between 0 and 1, and then I'm gonna give you a tip which makes your image more desirable and creative. And click back tool and then swap over foreground color and background color. Now you got like a white and then put the brackets. Then here you got white solid layer and just click. And I'm gonna put this layer in the copy. Now you got 2 layers, white, and I'm gonna change its opacity. Just think about which number is good. Just 62 or something. Probably around 60. Let's go. Then click the first white layer and just employ polygonal tool and just you're gonna make like a random shape and edit and cut and get rid of and make another shape and edit and cut. So you can see like click the shape. Also click the second white layer and place on the hold eraser tool and then just get a normal eraser tool and think about the size. If you want to change the size of laser, just click here and you can change its size, small and big. And just hardness, I'm not gonna go 100 or a big number. Just think about like a really small number, or 3 or 4, 5%, like this. And then make sure layer 2 and like this. Try not to make strong effect. Just think about, you're making some kind of atmosphere in this picture. And also you can change its opacity and the prey width and think about it. And it's good or not. I think it's really good. And if you're happy with, just layer and go bottom, the flatten image. And now you got a solid 1 image. Then select and the copy and the paste. Oh, and just copy and the paste on your board. Now you got a new artist model image on your board. Thank you.